Okay, we're making a close-up video so you can see what's going on in the back when you're transferring the metal retainer ring and the outer ring. So first of all, the location of the ring doesn't matter. There's no divider. So you're just gonna push it like this and bend it enough to fit inside, and it should go under every tab here. Every tab, so it's in place and it won't move around. Then you can slide it around a little bit, make sure that it is gonna work fine, and that's perfect. Now, when you're putting in the outer plastic ring, we want everyone to understand that you want to set it down on top, and then we're carefully going to be pressing these pieces down in place. So you want to line them all up ahead of time, just like this, and they're all good, because you don't want it to be off center. And then it's just push, 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 and then go back up to your Cybertruck, line it up, and continue. Your T logo, or you're getting to install it or reinstall it or put it back on after you rotate, or you're putting tire pressure in, this is the best way to get the safest installation method. So of course you want to take the plastic clips and make sure they go in the longer groove and just set it right here on the wheel. That's it. Now you got to make sure that you can line up the spoke extensions. So once they are in the right place with the ring firmly pressed against the vehicle or the truck, we want to tap the middle of the Cybertruck hub, and then we're going to tap each of the 7 spokes slightly, and then one more time in the middle, and then each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then last but not least, the middle. That's going to lock the center ring in and really hold it in place. And look, it's not going to move or vibrate. So that's it for installing it at any time. And of course, removing is even easier. Just pull one off, reach inside, and grab the ring, and then pop them all off. Thanks again for watching. And we'll do it one more time. This should be the only way you're installing our replacement hubs. All loose, and then the middle comes out just like that. Everything's intact, nothing's broken. All of the injection molded pieces are on. All right, so one more time. We know it's gonna line up perfect because the T's there. So we're gonna start with pushing in the middle, and then the legs halfway, inserted. Middle again, and then leg, 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 leg. And finally, that's it. Secure. Thank you, and you're gonna love them.